Tired of wrestling with a garage door opener that just won't listen? Say hello to smooth mornings and secure nights with Titan Garage Doors Quad Cities. Meet your new best friend, the LiftMaster 81650 opener, equipped with cutting-edge MyQ technology. It's not just any opener. It's your gateway to hassle-free, reliable access to your Moline, Illinois home. Our expert team ensures a seamless installation, leaving you with nothing but satisfaction. And with free estimates, why wait? Don't let an old opener ruin your day. Call 309-808-7181 today.